Okay, what I want to show is just the preferences that are available with the WMStocks program. And so I'm loading things up here. And I start out with all the standard stuff. Now I'm able to change the order of these, for example, by saying I want intraday. And let's say I want to fit these widthwise. Okay, so now I can do that, but that's transitory, and that's not going to stay with me over program sessions. Now I can go to the preferences over here on the other hand, and I can say that I want to fit width here, or I want to fit both, which will stretch both as the program changes, and this will change the order of what I'm seeing here. Now the other items that are available here in the preferences are the data refresh frequency, which is how often I look at the website. So this is by default 5 minutes. I can change this down to 1 minute, or I can change it up to an hour or whatever it is. There's the number of web browsers that I use. Let's say I actually want to use a fair number of web browsers. And this is the market start hour. Now this is the important one. And the time zone that I'm in, I need to start currently at 6:30 in the morning. So this will run from 6:30 until 1:30. Okay, now this is the message font and the timestamp font. And if I want, I can change these. Maybe I want to make this one a little bit bigger. And I want this guy to be my favorite, which is the Comic Sans. So we'll make him Comic Sans size 12. Okay. Now these change the main program element behavior. Down here I can change, well, let me do that. And we'll see what we see here. And so now I have this font has changed, and you can see that there's a whole bunch of web browsers that are up here now that I can play around with. Now, if I go to these web browsers, what I get is this stock information that I start with, which is actually coming off of the web. This is not, this is loaded at runtime when the program starts up. So this can be changed by myself. However, the user probably wants to put in some of their own stuff. So what we're seeing here is the ability to extend by putting in a whole variety of URLs. And if I do the show me examples, what you can see here is you'll get the individual entries. And so here's a short visible name, which is going to appear up on the tabs here. Here's a description that you see in the drop down, and then here is the actual URL that's used. And this one here is a special one because this is a real-time quote, and this has the symbol name in here which gets replaced. So let's say I want to use these, and then I want to change this guy here to the CBS real-time quote. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to see the symbol information for Dollar General. And as I change things, of course, I would see things for US Air or whatever. So I think that is pretty much all the preferences except for solid background. If you don't like this, my funky backdrop here, you can say that I want that. And then if I click over here, actual size, then you just get the backdrop that's set up in your program behavior. So those are the preferences.